The Noise Pollution dB Edition. Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine the combined sound levels when multiple noise sources operate simultaneously. Let's explore the calculator's features. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose 2 sound sources basic, 3 sound sources, multiple sources for 4 to 10 sources, background noise correction, sound level difference, or reference level adjustment. For this demonstration, I'm using 2 sound sources. For the 2 sound sources mode, you'll see 2 input fields, source 1 level dB and source 2 level dB. Simply enter your measured decibel values in these fields, then click Calculate Sound Level. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 decibels for source 1 level and 10 decibels for source 2 level. After clicking Calculate, the results show a combined level of 13.0 dB with an increase from highest of 3.0 dB. The calculator also provides a level difference of 0.0 dB and an intensity ratio of 2.00 to 1. Notice the helpful note indicating that sources are nearly equal in level since the difference is less than 3 dB. This tool streamlines acoustic engineering calculations for combined noise sources. Find the link in the description below.